you probably noticed, I've made the worst decision of my drifting career. I've changed half M54 for something weaker and worse, probably, but M52 B28 on mechanical throttle body. And car is ready.
Don't scratch the paint.
Because
Ooh,
the quality of this
it's
paint
like,
is...
it is like me. White on the outside, red on the inside.
Yes. Okay,
Pop the hood.
in this
Yeah.
2JZ engine, no shit.
I gotta admit, this car looks like a proper machine, proper warrior. I mean, I don't like these kind of fender flares, but on this car, it ain't too bad. Looks hella aggressive, bruh.
Okay, and this is the main difference. M52 B28, as I said before. But after a few modifications in case of whole quality of swap, because here it was M54, which was a little bit... Someone put this engine here and everything around this engine looked so bad. And we changed everything to stock, like wiring harness or something like that. And we did some modifications like M50 B25 manifold and intake air filter. How I should say that in...
Exactly like you said it, bro.
Yeah, but I would like to show more my intake air filter. Stożek.
Coney one.
We cleaned whole mess here. Engine is ready. What I should do after first run, I would say, is I have to change oil for something fresh, and we'll see, because this engine coming from BMW E38 728i, and this engine has around 350 kilometers, 200 miles.
350,000.
Yeah, because, no,
It's a
it is
freshie.
almost,
It's a fresh one.
It's almost brand new. This type of engines could always show something which is not so much expected, and that's why that will be first test, Willow Springs, first FD Media Day. You know what does it mean?
But the throttle response is better now, right?
Yeah, much better. I'll show you that. I haven't heard these vibrations. M52 is a little bit louder than previous M54.
But it has a new exhaust.
Yeah.
Let me see the
Reaction.
yeah.
But we have to wait a little bit because
Yeah.
the car hasn't been...
Warmed up yet.
Yes.
It's a cool car.
Cool owner.
Oh, I would say it's the best looking car you owned.
No, I
Yeah.
won't agree with you.
Then which one was?
E46 when it was on the floor.
After a few months, maybe it would be, but as it was, I think this one has more of that, you know. that
Okay.
thing. What? No.
Okay, if you criticize my car, I will show you your car, your beautiful E36, which
let it stay
looks like...
behind let it stay behind the shed. It's not finished yet.
Yeah.
It's a project, you know.
From almost last winter. It is
How it is, bruh.
Okay, it's time to start playing on my guitar.
Guitar. Is it warm yet?
Already, already yes.
Is it better than M54?
A little bit, little bit. It was 100% worth of time, money and everything. What's left to do? I have to clean whole mess here because I have
Nice storage space.
yeah, that's why I don't have roll cage yet. And
You're gonna surround yourself with the tires and wheels, and you're gonna be safe.
yeah, they are for sure they are safer than a roll cage. And clean the mess and go for the first testing day in Willow Springs. As I said before, Formula D, Long Beach Media Day. Come to us.
I think it's pretty far away from here.
Oh,